How's it going, guys? My name is John Hirsch V, and today I'll be demonstrating a project I've built to showcase my skills in full stack development. I've created an online fitness platform where users can create workouts, track their progress, and manage clients. So on the homepage, you'll see an option to create a program, view all the programs you currently have, or create a program with AI. So let's go ahead and demonstrate the AI program first. So all you have to do is describe a program. So we'll say, create a 4-day-a-week strength program, and all we have to do is click create. It'll take about 30 seconds, but we should get an AI program back soon. Okay, cool. Our AI program was a success. From this user interface, we can see all the workouts that were generated. Clicking on a workout will show you all the exercises in that workout. And from here, we have the ability to add a new exercise, to edit the exercises we have, and to reorder them. The exercises also have a video associated with them. So if we click on a video, we can see an exercise demonstration. Going back to the workouts, we also have the ability to add a new workout, and just like the programs, we can create a workout with AI. Now that we have our workout, we can go ahead and click Start Session. From here, we can begin to fill out our exercise logs. As we fill out our exercise logs, it will progress us through the workout. We can then add new sets if we want, add notes, or add a video associated with the exercise. Up here, we can click History, and it'll show you the full history of that exercise. And then we can begin to swipe through the workout. Once we reach the end of the workout, we can add a new exercise or end the workout. Now that we've logged our workout session, we can click the Progress tab and be taken to our main dashboard. Here you'll see data charts for total weight lifted, estimated 1 rep max, and workouts per week. You'll also see a calendar that enables us to click on a date and see all the exercises we did that day and the details associated with them. All right, moving on, we have a real-time end-to-end encrypted messaging feature. From here, you can message other users and manage client interactions. If you click on a user, you can send them a trainer request. If a user has already accepted your trainer request, you can share with them programs that you have created and also view their progress. All right, just a couple last little details. The application is fully mobile responsive and a progressive web application that you can download on mobile and desktop. It also uses JWT authentication. Thank you for watching.